how to use Airtable for event planning. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. If you are wondering if Airtable can be used for event planning, then this is the best video for you to watch, okay? Because to answer your questions about that. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Airtable account, and then you have to create a base that has to do with event planning. You can decide to use a template by moving to the right side here, click on template, and then you can see different kind of template. You can see event planning. You just click on event planning, and then you wait for the page to load. The reason I suggested template is so that you can make the work easier for you. Okay. So after clicking on the template, you can see that you are brought to the interface here. You can decide to just skip this and then just cancel this. Okay, close, and then you can see the templates given to you already on the page. All right, you can see event planning, you can see the different things. So the only thing that now is just like edit this to suit you. Okay, so the next step is to define your event goals and timeline. Okay, you have to clearly outline what you want to achieve and when. This is because in this template you can see that there is a deadline, there was a start time, there is an end time. All right, and then after that, the next is to set a budget. You have to determine your financial limit and allocate funds accordingly. All right, because any kind of event you do will cost you money. Okay, so you have to allocate your funds, and the funds would have to be clearly written on this table. So the next step now is to create a team. And how do you create a team? The first thing is by, now you can see before you go ahead and create a team, you can see at the top part of the screen on this template, you can see speakers, you can see attendees, and then you can see budget. So you have to ensure that you've planned out your budget, you have it in mind, and then once you've had your budget planned out, just come over here and then input in all of that. And the next thing is to have a team, like I said, and to have a team, you have to invite collaborators to your Airtable account. Just click on share and then send email address, or you can create a link. Whoever clicks on the link and use it to log in into Airtable, he or she would be accepted as a collaborator on your Airtable, and then you can now work together and you know that to create an inventable event. All right, and then the next thing is to develop a plan, and to do this, break down the event into actionable steps and assign tasks. For example, now on this template you can see welcome breakfast, right? So you can just use this to assign some team members to this particular task, all right, so that they can easily carry out something. And then you can also find the venue. Yeah, you can see some options here. You can see some venues here with the displayed president dining all round. You can just edit this to suit or fit your needs. And then after that, you can also select and secure vendors. All right, select and secure vendors. You can also add them to the list, and you can make a branding and marketing plan. As is, you can develop strategies to promote your event. That would be like another table on its own. Okay, and then just you click on the table and you click on start from scratch. You can just name it fund raising. Okay, and then once you click on that, and the table would be developed, and then you can now input or write out your strategies of getting that done. Then you can determine the tech tools to use. Then you can have a day of plan. Just ensure day of plan will be under the schedule, and then you are good to go. So this is how you can use Airtable for event planning. Very simple, right? Ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching.